And me say, if you never try that today, I've got in done from top to bottom.
In try, but my try roll it off as a joke.
We never say nothing. We never say nothing until 2 o'clock.
In try it, but the older PMP them ask him if he mad. The older MP them ask him if he mad.
Alright.
He now come now, he now come address the situation. He now come do nothing.
Me could wait until 2 o'clock.
He now wait to see if it can blow off. He now do nothing 2 o'clock.
Mama son, me could wait until 2 o'clock. Yeah. We could wait until 2 o'clock and then
we stop talking over each other. No, hear the woman attack. No, we speak low while we talk, no man.
You don't see how me sick because me go and me go dig and me go ask a few questions and me up late after mama can done and me sit down there and me say to myself, say, boy, me never want to believe, but whosoever sent out a real whistleblower power, but Damien have been sitting up there, but as the people them me and chat to and make me know that he not have a chance, but Damien, you surprised me for a young man.
Let me tell you now.
Yeah, because through the labor right, them a boots him and say, Damien to be the prime minister.
Yeah, Damien the one.
Look at me, I say, me tell you something, eat some
Yes,
of the
right, them a boots him.
When we talk, we don't put him in like nothing, no go so. When you see what I'm
I sick here now.
when you hear, alright.
I sick me sick here now. I take the art.
Dirty mama wall, you know.
I don't know what I always come up here and do over. I take it to art. I sick me sick here now. I sick like dog.
Me tell you, there's a phone call me get. Me get a call yesterday after me don't talk, come.
Me know what I
And
like
yesterday, somebody called me.
I know feel sick.
And said to me, say, Mama, don't take down the video. I see what somebody go on. Who I really want to do what I do. Don't take it down. And you hear me talk on the wall, I don't want blood clot, bully me, and listen, I mean, I wait until him blood clot start the fuck with me. I talk about now because the blood clot.
That's true, because if you have a wound and you don't take care of it, infection will come that woman, it spread.
Look at me.
So you have
Look at me. I'm not calling and I show you a pint to go with somebody.
Yeah.
When the person after meeting with another meeting with them alliance with them plan.
Yeah.
Then the thing that they do have me in them palm. We use me against marketing for the blog.
Yeah.
And then they can't manage me. Them people down to the right.
Yeah.
And them go even me some way for me take down the video I put up.
Yeah.
But some come to the mother. When they can't pay me. When they can't pay me for my what me stand for. Nobody.
If that is the case, right now I'm changing mind. If that is the case, you have to change your mind.
Change his mind.
That's how we now stop.
Remember Judas?
Yeah. You understand what you say? You have to change your mind.
When they listen to what the woman say, when I listen, I want to listen to what Mama San love me. And Mama San want make problems. Ricky. When they listen,
Yeah, me I listen, Mama. Mama, I listen, me I listen.
Judas did eat with Jesus.
Mama, me there I listen. I'm back you 110%, Mama.
We have to tell you because guess what? But the party now going to chamber. Like when going to chamber, we go to similar. Stop it. Anyway, no break water, we have to stop it up.
But we can't look on this in a negative light. We are trying to unite the party. We don't want no riff in the party. So we talking out is not in a negative light.
I want to see what I go on 2 o'clock today. I want to see what I go on 2 o'clock today.
Remember,
I want to see what I go on.
Listen,
So now your mama son I tell you long time it's a secret me in keep.
So this is not a negative talk.
Mama son tell us it's a secret me in keep. Where Damien Crawford and 2 more persons. Damien say my challenge mark. 2 more persons stand up with him. The normal PMP them we not gonna know until we have inside in the we not gonna know. Then you that mama son a try tell us somebody with it in the meeting call her phone.
Some people come back social media and one of them people. And I know say and everybody blood clot here. And everybody again. And have people with them. That's right. Just keep the blood clot in.
Right, Joe. And I lie. one heap of secret thing a go on round at the back door we don't know. You see that? Hey, me say, I swear, aromatic say I'm a nonstop say. Him push up him head, him a go get the chopper.
Man, for donate for me, I get no pay from nobody. Come, run up on life. Run let me not get 2 gunmen, let me not police 2 gunmen in the yard. The blood plan stand for the blood and man can't buy the house. I'm going to come in my ears and come to after me see from 14 to 20 years. I work with the and CRAWFORD, you know, blood clot support you.
The phone I'm break up a go.
Mark Golden might be not be the Prime Minister for the country, but him win the blood clot election.
I stole him family.
Him win.
Ricky,
me see that.
Ricky, you give me an echo, Ricky.
Good morning, guys.
Go down and come back up. Ricky, go down and come back up.
Baby, can you give me an echo?
Mama San, good morning, everyone.
Morning, here it is.
Guys, please, can we just do one at a time so we understand what's going on, because I can't hear it. It's all echoing all over the place. Like, if you're not on the floor, just mute your mic until everyone is finished, then you come up.
That is
so that we can understand what's going on, because it's confusing because everyone is talking at the same time. But your live really good, Mama San. I join your live every morning, but right now, this morning, I am a little confused because everyone is talking at the same time. Nobody's giving nobody a chance to explain so that all of us can understand what's really going on in the party.
What is going on in all the social media?
Right.
Damion CRAWFORD out for the start a eruption in the party to run against Mark.
But that doesn't make sense for me.
Well, I know I told them I public, my sister.
Right.
And I'm starting my right to run with it. But when I go on social, YouTube, everything, I see a video, I hear the girl say, yo, she get it from live source inside. Who says true, so Damion want to run and want to chamber the party for true. Alright, I make a video, I say, Damion, come here. Come in front of the class, we ask her, what you really there for? I'm here to talk to him and everything. It's like one of them see the video and call him and say, yo, Ray. So they push out an old video, claim say him adjust the people them at Jamaica. When we get to find out, says an old video. So the old video we'll find out is an old video. Now I make back a next video. I know we are coming home the night when I make the video, I get a call from a young man. Yo, you not take down that video there. I say, what kind of video? The video where you make about Damion. You don't take it down because 5 people call me and ask me, say, yo, what you put up this and wait. I say, you know, my father, my last time I remember my father live in Canada, my mother live in America with me. So, oh, you come call my blood clot phone. Who's you? Call me for 10 minutes and take down a video I'm put up. I will never disrespect the party. Nah, disrespect Damion CRAWFORD. I ask my question. So what the problem with them saying you come tell me to take down my video? I'll let you tell. And if you that fuck me, you couldn't tell me to take down my video. Because I never take it down. But you know, them can use against the party. Where I say can use against which party? I didn't we are talking about another party me are talking about. I'm going to come off on my phone, I'm going to come on my live and we are talking about it. And it extends to yesterday we are talking about it. And the people them, the same PMP them. Blush me here, there, everywhere I say. If I take down the video and if people follow me and can't take down the video, them and follow me, then for stop come on my live and that not stop me from blood clot talk. And in the meantime, the pastor walk on and we are telling me people say, Damion CRAWFORD don't owe me nothing for answer to it. So what you expect me now go still attack? Then me get a call and somebody call me and say me the right just so which part me them in there. Don't take down no blood clot video when you send a lie you tell. A serious something I go on for sure. Don't take it down and don't make them bully you. So that's why I stand for what I stand for. That is why none of them want to talk about couldn't happen and Damion just wait and see.
You go stand whatever you stand for, that's what we're standing for, because it don't make no sense he's gonna come and try to fight Mark out of it because it's not gonna work for him. And then the party gonna mash up all over again.
That is what Mama Sana said. Mama Sana try to say she stand up with Marky G.
Of course.
100%. If I'm me alone, I'm gonna run the country, I'm gonna run it because
Of course.
I'm running because our people, brother and sister, them police have analyzed them innocent. We are running because we want the voiceless. We can't be here, we can't hear the voices. We are stand for because we say, when stand for poverty and poor people. Listen on, no? Yes,
yeah, but
too power greedy.
Damien need to wait on his turn.